Crazy Chef, big vibe today. So big vibe today. So hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. We're making corned beef hash. So we're gonna take this beautiful corned beef brisket. We're gonna cut it in two. We're gonna wash it, and we're gonna make beautiful corned beef hash, better than you buy in the store. Like if you buy in the store it's 9, this is gonna be 1,000. So we're making corned beef hash. We're gonna wash and dry our corned beef. We're gonna slow cook, and we're gonna get into the vibe. So big vibe. Hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. So what I did is I washed my corned beef and I put 4 cups of water in my Instapot. I placed my corned beef in, which is like maybe 5 pounds give and take, and I put the packet from the corned beef in there. Then I'm gonna just close my Instapot and put it on slow cook and let it vibe. So soon as I close my Instapot, slow cook I think is like 5 to 6 minutes give and take. Should be perfect for a nice tender juicy corned beef. So close Instapot, put it on slow cook, and then when we come back, our corned beef will be ready and we're ready for the vibe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cool it down, and then we're gonna slice it against the grain, not along the grain. If you slice it along the grain, it's gonna be tough. So it's gonna be chewy. You don't want it to be chewy. You want it to be nice and soft. You want a good vibe. So you see how soft and tender that is? Yeah, so we're gonna cool that down, and then we're gonna cut it up, and we're gonna make our corned beef hash. So to make corned beef hash, obviously you need corned beef, you need boiled potatoes. I like to put some carrots in there and some onions, and that's all you need. And you need a little bit of the grease from when we boil it. So we want to save a little of this stock right here for our corned beef hash. So as I said, big vibe, big vibe. This is like so good, this recipe. So big vibe, Crazy Chef corned beef hash. So we're gonna cool it down, and we're gonna get ready for the vibe. So this is what it looks like when it's all cooled down. So slice it up, slice with the fat, everything. Just slice it up, get it nice thin slices is better. You can make thicker slices, but nice thin slices is better vibe with the nice thin slices. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna smash our potatoes and our carrots and our onions, and then we're gonna just mix up our corned beef, and we're gonna get in the vibe. So potatoes, carrots, onion, smash those up, and then we're gonna add our corned beef. So big vibe, as I said. Crazy Chef, big vibe. If you ever had corned beef hash, you know what I'm talking about when I said it's a big vibe. So we're gonna mix that up, we're gonna cook some off, and we're gonna do what we do. We're gonna just show you how it looks when we cook it up. Look how beautiful that looks. You can't buy that in a can. Like, you can't buy that in a can. Look at that. Awesome. So all we gotta do now is add a little bit of the liquid, a little bit of the stock, give it a nice little mix, let it sit in your refrigerator for like 20-30 minutes, and you're good to go. Look at that. You can't buy that in a store, and you can't get that at any restaurant, but you get that here. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. You can see the difference with those two hash. Big vibe, Crazy Chef, with that corned beef hash.